Okay, it's January 26th, and I finally get to tear down the CA95. The delay was going to make sure I could get this registered and titled in my name. That was all taken care of on Friday, so we can get started. Interesting thing already, taking out the tank first. You'll notice missing some mounting hardware. It's like that actually on all four, both sides. So we'll disconnect that fuel hole line between the two sides of the tank, and then this fuel line from the tank to the carburetor. Then the tank should just pop right off. Alright, the tank is off. Now to remove the seat. Looks just like 3 mounting points. Here in the front, which you cannot get to with the tank on. 1 bolt. And then there's a bolt on each side near the rear shock. And the seat should pop off. Alright, got the seat off. 3 bolts here underneath the gas tank, and then 1 on each side. Next is to tackle. Alright, before I took anything else off the CA95, I wanted to take apart the components for the gas tank so they can each be addressed. Those in the know would be glad to know that I'm actually using JIS tools, not to strip anything. It's odd. Tank had 2 right side emblems. Don't know that it came factory that way. Rubbers are dry rotted for the most part. Fuel has been in this tank sitting for a long time, and it smells terrible, by the way. Not seeing anything major though. Should be able to strip and clean and repaint the tank and put it back on. I am nervous about rebuilding this pepcock. I'm hearing once you try to rebuild them, they leak forever, so hopefully I don't experience that, but it clearly needs cleaning and rebuilding. Okay, working on the petcock removal. 3 screws holding it to the tank. Then a screen covers those screws. Rubber gasket covers that. Then the bowl. And that's it. Easy peasy, right? I'm not stirring. Okay, while the petcock parts are cleaning, taking just the side covers off on both sides. That one covers the battery. This one is for the air cleaner. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do for an air cleaner. The original one is toast, so it really can't be reused. About to take off the bracket for the seat, just for the rear. Front is affixed to the frame. Rear is bolted on above the shocks. Alright, the next thing I'm removing are the exhausts. I had centers and the mufflers. Obviously it's sandwiched between the footrest and the shift on this side. It looks like it's just these four nuts. Might be a little tricky to twist it to get it out of that side, but should be easy enough. Alright, got the main footrest bar out. The only thing of note here is, the bolts. The nuts came off, 3 of them. The actual stud came out of that one. There's a lot of oil around it, so I assume that's something to do with the stud coming loose. So now, I'm going to take off the exhaust. Should be these 2 bolts. They're different on that side. They're actually just, I don't know if that was removed and replaced, if these are the standard or not. We'll have to look that up. And then underneath here, they mount 2 places, there and there. So 4 total mounting points on each side. Okay, today is January 28th, and this is where I'm at so far with the teardown. Obviously, I've removed the exhaust, foot rest, we have a tank, seat, side covers. Haven't decided what to take off next, but this will be all the way stripped down before we inspect, refurbish, rebuild.